Hey guys, hope everything is okay. So, right now I have with me a very talented individual, a musician, a guitar player, a producer, I think a videographer as well. So, I mean, it's good that he tells you about it himself. And he's based in Canada. And I think he's the first guitar player in our guitar collective community to be coming from Canada. And so it's a very I've really enjoyed talking to him. Actually, I talked to him for the first time actually right now, and it was thoroughly enjoyable. I think we both think alike, and we both have more or less the same goals, and which is very good to know. So what I'll do is I'll just hand it over to him. He's Mr. Saad Dada, and he will walk you through his little journey. So over to you, Mr. Saad.
Thanks for having me, Karam. So yeah, like you said, we just connected and we had a nice chat before this whole thing went down, and I thoroughly enjoyed it as well. It's good to see that we're on the same page. But I want to say, I think this is a great initiative you're doing. So I really appreciate you reaching out to me and connecting with me. And just a bit about myself, like you mentioned, obviously I play guitar. Um, I'm an engineer, producer as well. And these days I've been dabbling a bit more into video and stuff like that too. So yeah, it's great to be here. And I guess the one thing I do want to say is this is much needed. What you're doing, this initiative you're taking, I think it's a great thing you're doing. It's something we need to do, and I'm really excited actually for it and the stuff that we've talked about. So yeah, thanks for having me on board.
I don't know. Great, man. So tell us about your, your music, what you're doing, any instrumentals, any songs, any projects. I mean, it'll be good, for everyone to know, and exactly, where you're based, and it'll be good to let everyone know about, your back and forth between PK and Canada as well.
Yeah. So I'm based in Calgary, Alberta, in Canada, and I'm also based in Karachi. And I work in the Karachi scene. I work with the A for Alif guys. Some of you might be familiar with A for Alif. So I work with A for Alif. We've been trying to work on creating independent music and sort of creating the art that we want to create. And that's one thing that I'm doing based in Karachi. And then over here, I'm also a session musician. So what I've been doing lately in terms of the music scene in Canada, Calgary, is I've been working with small independent artists. And so I've been working doing session work. I've been producing for them. I'm also a mix engineer. So I've been doing some recordings for people, mixing some stuff. So what I've been doing here has been sort of more to do with other artists and sort of empowering independent artists in here to do what they want to do, and essentially help them realize their creative vision. The other thing that I do on the side is, at least I was before COVID, as you know, this whole thing, but I also teach part-time at Southern Alberta Institute of Technology. I'm an instructor there. And
Okay,
I
awesome.
teach a class on audio production and recording. It's actually a digital audio production course. So I do that as well on the side. So, and then as for my own music, yeah, I've been working on my own stuff for a while. It really does need to come out now, but yeah, it's more instrumental based. And we were talking about Andy Timmons and Joe Satriani and stuff like that. And
Mm.
so some of the, I would say I'm big into the instrumental stuff. A lot of Pink Floyd inspired music. So Gilmore, Satriani, Andy Timmons, those are like my big three. So I've been working on my own music too. And then also for Alif, we've been working on some projects as well that we're hoping will come out this year. And we're really excited for you guys to hear what we've been working on in
Oh,
Karachi as well.
looking forward to it, man. Looking forward to it, and looking forward to your instrumental stuff as well. I mean, that maybe this initiative we have launched. Maybe we can leverage all that and use this for the release of your instrumentals. I mean, so that it goes out to everyone out there. Whoever is on the platform. And like I mentioned, right, this platform is not PK based. This platform is like it's got a more of a subcontinental flavor, right? Bangladesh, India, PK, and it goes up to the Middle East, Dubai. So that's the aim, to grow this community slowly, and then the more the content, the merrier. So it'll be good. I mean, तो तुम्हारे कोई plans हैं release करने के? I mean, the near future, your stuff.
I'm hoping that by the end of this year, I can release 3 songs that I've been working on right now. And what happens is, man, a bit of scattered energy, right? So I'm working on my own stuff, but then I get sidetracked with some stuff here. Then I get sidetracked with some stuff with the Alif boys. Then it comes full circle. I come back to my stuff. And so I'm hoping that by the end of this year, I'd be able to release. There's 3 instrumentals that I'm working on right now.
Oh, awesome, awesome. Looking forward to it. And then, the thing is, great to have you on board. And like I, mentioned earlier, right, that we think alike. I mean, you're also in it for yourself. You're also in it just to make yourself, satisfied. And then, whatever happens, then happens, right? So the most important thing is, being happy and content and just being satisfied with whatever that you're doing, right?
100%. And as we were talking, and I mentioned, I'm not in competition with anybody. I'm not in competition with you. I'm not in competition with any of the other guys that are doing this. For the record, there's some amazing musicians in this collective. Some that you've already revealed, some you haven't. But a lot of these guys I personally inspire me as well. A lot of the guys I've looked up to for a long time.
Awesome.
And it's the same thing, where I'm not here to compete with anybody. I just want to do my thing because I love doing what I do. And it's interesting what you do. I can draw a parallel between what you do, and what I'm doing, which is, your goal is to empower musicians in this collective. And it's a similar mindset that I have when I go teach my classes. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get young people and anybody really in those classes. The goal is to help them realize their creative vision and empower them with the tools that they can use to take something in their mind and make it a reality. And so I can draw a parallel between what you're doing and what I'm doing in different ways, right? So it's something that resonates with me really deeply. And again, I really appreciate you reaching out to me and allowing me to be a part of this platform.
Awesome, yeah. It's what I would say is exciting times ahead. And like I say to everyone, man, if we stay together, sky is the limit. I mean, and I think we've talked about it in detail. And moving forward, we'll just keep at it. That's the important thing. You just have to keep at it. And I'm very confident, and I think all of us should also be, that we will get somewhere. I'm pretty sure of that.
I'm absolutely positive, man. I think consistency is going to be the key, and you're already doing all the right things. You're bringing people together. I think there was a need for this, for all of us to come together. There's power in numbers. As you and I discussed, between all of us, we can easily be self-sufficient.
Yeah.
Whether it comes to audio, video, producing, recording, mixing,
everything.
Playing, everything. So it's great, and collectively, we can do some great things together. We just have to stick to it. I agree with you.
Stick together. Exactly. So
100%.
awesome, Saad. Awesome talking to you, and welcome on board, my friend.
Thanks so much for having me, man. Cheers.
Cheers.